Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know, the red light is on the REC.
Are you pointing at me?
Mary Grace is 8 months pregnant and can't make it to Midland for this gig. So my dad volunteered to film it instead.
All right, and it's recording.
Okie dokie.
He's 68, never filmed anything before, so I have no idea how this is gonna turn out.
Moving?
Yeah, I'll go catch you coming down this way.
Yeah, sure.
But this is me hanging out with my dad while I work.
All right, Dad, are we nailing it?
Oh man, you're looking good.
Nice. It's working. We good?
We're good.
Have you used the zoom at all?
A little bit, very little.
You can use the zoom if you want.
Well, it's mostly been better out.
Okay, all right. Let's go, we're gonna go check for the power and get that all plugged in. I think it's probably gonna be the same thing as we did last year, but I'm not really sure. We'll just string this from behind the TV here, just like this.
Just the one plug?
Just the one plug. But trust me, you're not the only person who has said that to me with the same tone of voice.
Yeah.
So we'll go over by that grill, I guess, right? All right. Okay. That's speaker 3. The other 2 will be back behind here. Let's go get the rack all set up on the side back where we were. You know what? I'm gonna go plop these guys down and claim my space before anybody else decides that they're gonna take it.
That's a good idea.
Do some farmer's carries. Is that, I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. There's this trees in the way, and then this is kind of the only option.
Yeah, I don't think you're taking the tree out.
Nope, they're not taking the tree out. That'll work. Back to the rack. The only thing that's kind of iffy is the sun beating down on it.
Well, maybe it'd be a good time for that tarp.
Yeah, I might have to go get the tarp out here in a minute. I didn't even remember I had this. You think this will keep it cool, or
I think it will.
trap the...
It'll maybe put those others on top to give it a little bit of more circulation.
Maybe if I just use the whole tarp. At least keep the sun off of it. What's next, Pops?
Beats me.
Set up the speakers. Not that it matters, but I'm gonna put 1 and 2 back here. What do you think, Pops?
Looks like it's level to me.
Me too. That one's sunk. That one's definitely not.
And that one's not as high as the other.
I feel like it's kind of leaning this way, right?
A little bit.
To the east. What do you think?
Too much.
Too much? Which way?
Perfect.
Well, since we're still in the realm of speakers, let's go put the outfills in the front.
Okay.
All right, these will go in the bases. I'm behind the tree. How can you see me? Am I not behind the tree? All right, so now we'll put those speakers on. Yeah. How scary does that look?
It blends in. You don't really see it.
All right, power to the speakers.
Ooh.
All right, so the first power drop is over here. I don't know what he's filming. Hey, Junior, come over here. I'm just gonna kind of tape this right here. A little bit of strain relief. There's no way around it being where it is. There we go. I missed it, Dad.
That's kind of a crummy job, isn't it?
All right, that one's down. These are gonna be wireless. So all we're doing is plugging in a power cable, and that's it. God, when a cable's rolled bad, Mary Grace isn't here. Who do I blame?
If you rolled your cable better, it wouldn't happen.
Yeah. And then we'll do that next side here in a sec. I don't know where this stands a better chance.
Inside.
I don't think so. I think I can get closer to this edge. Maybe inside, I don't know. We'll do it Dad's way. You're so wise.
That's me. Just trying to avoid a personal injury.
Yeah, I swear.
So who coiled up your cords last?
I did. I'm busy. All right, Ed. Do you think this is in focus? Have you been pressing me?
No, but the little squares.
The square's been following me a little?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you are.
I had the honors of being the cameraman.
Well, I'm not sure if it's the first time or the last time. It's one of the two. It may be both.
I'm gonna go do it on the other side, then we're gonna go do those speakers.
Okay.
There you are. I lost track of you. Let's come over here. So I'm gonna grab this and go around the corner here. There's that one. You know, I haven't used these cables in a while. We'll see if they work still. Now the next one. I think that's just barely long enough.
You know, pull this closer to the edge.
We'll get it all cleaned once we verify that it's working. Is that how you're holding it now? Is it working? Do you want to take it off?
In a minute, yeah.
Yeah? You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get all the wireless stuff out and put it on the mic stands. That's kind of close to the last step, you know? And I've vastly improved my wireless situation we got going on. It's a lot neater than it used to be. I bought this stereo bar. I think I'm just gonna do my wireless access point and my wireless mics antenna on this, and then put the IEM antenna on the other one. So it's gonna be 2 stands instead of 3, which is a lot easier for me to set up and tear down. You starting to peter out?
Well, it's got me, I've been leaning over backwards.
I told you it wasn't balanced.
Yeah, well, you're right.
Let's take a water break here in a minute after we do this. We can sit down for a little bit. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Wireless access points. And then on this other one, we have that. Now, will it interfere? I don't know, but I do not think so. So we'll grab this loom, Dad, and we're gonna come out of the back of the rack again. This used to take me a long time to do too. Then we're gonna climb up here. I'm gonna be on the other side of this to plug it in. I'm gonna go right there and right there. I mean, so much easier. And I, again, am stealing this from the Wilder Blue engineer, but he did this and it worked great at their show at the Armadillo Ranch, so I decided I'd do that. Okay, we'll fix that later, Dad. But the last thing is for the wireless speakers. Slap that on there. And in theory, that should give us a wireless speaker. And we'll set that up here in a second and make sure it works.
I like your theory.
Right now, let's take a break. All right, Dad got a little bit tired, so I'm setting up some wireless equipment over here, setting up the outfills, and this is for a wireless video playback that we're gonna test out and see. But yeah, he's over there having a sip of water. He's 68 years old. What do you want?
We're recording.
Okay, so follow me.
Just check this.
What's up?
Make sure you're...
I'm good. I got it.
Okay.
We're all good. Let's go this way, though, I think. All right, Dad. So we go into there. Turn this up to about 4. Shove it in here. And we should be good. And we'll do the other side, and then we'll test out the microphones. There's that. All right, Dad. Let's go see if the microphones work.
Okay.
First moment of truth is seeing if the iPad connects to the wireless receiver. Okay. Hey, check 1, 2. I haven't turned on any of that.
Well, you have to turn it on?
You gotta turn it on. Where's Mary Grace when you need her? All right. Hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. I hear something.
Yeah.
Hey, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. This one's not working. We're just gonna swap out a different cable for that with that one. But it's why you bring a lot of cables with you. Know what I mean, Dad?
Shocked you have extras.
Are you?
Well, yes and no.
I hope this is what the problem is. My troubleshooting ends here.
Yeah, it looks like you called up that cable and not Mary Grace.
Don't tell her that.
No, she'll never know.
Yeah, it's just bad power or bad cable. Hey, 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 3, 4, hey, hey. All right, Dad. I'm gonna lift these up and then we're gonna go check the outfills in the front. You think that's even?
That's good.
For now?
Yeah.
All right, let's go check those outfills. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, check, check, hey, 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 hey. They're not even going. Is it muted? 1, 2, check, check, check. Hey, hey. Why not this one? Check, 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 check. All right, well, that fixed it.
Was it a problem with the on switch?
I don't know what it was. I'm not entirely sure. Right now, it's okay. We'll see what the deal is with these. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know, the red light is on the REC.
Are you pointing it at me?
It appears to be.
Okay. We might be covering me in wides all night. Hey, check 1, 2. I don't know what happened with that, but it's working now. We're gonna go with it. Hey, check 1, 2. Check, check, check. Hey, hey, hey. Sounds good to me. So this is what you would usually hook up like a wireless electric or acoustic guitar. We're using this as a way to like not have to string a bunch of XLR right to wherever the video's coming from today, because it's coming from a table. So we'll see if that works next. Right, Dad?
Sounds like a good plan. Some of those words I even knew what they meant.
There you go. That's because you do the sound at your church sometimes. That's why you knew. For later.
Shielding purposes?
It's just to keep it upright.
Oh, okay. I don't expect it.
All right. Okay, why don't you go ahead and play it for me? Is it? I'm not getting anything. Let me go make sure it's synced up.
Oh.
That would be the only thing. All right, now let's pray to God this works, because I don't want to run any cable tonight. It does, it works. Thank God. Boy, that's nice. I was like, I don't want to do a whole bunch of wiring, so we're just gonna replace these batteries in the outfills and in the handheld mics, and then I think we'll be ready to go for when the first people start showing up, and we'll see how long these outfills last. All right, we did it, Dad. Now we're gonna get out of here. Can turn off the camera for a while.
Woohoo! Dadgum.
It's been fun, Dad, but let's go home.
And then it was dark.
Let's go.